This Friday, the morning show has got something very special for you, TMS family. Currently at the top of his game and carrying a 17-year legacy on his back, it's Mr. Cash Time, KO, and he's diving into a new year with unspeakable milestones. We sit down to chat all things music, legacies, and not to mention his record-breaking Sete that has earned him record-breaking radio plays, 2 million views just after 9 days, and a massive platinum plaque just 16 days after its release.
My consistency and everything else that I do from here on, I just want to continue being an epitome for whoever's watching. When they look at me, they just need to draw inspiration that they can keep going and accomplish all kinds of things that they want to accomplish in their life.
Don't miss out on this exclusive interview. Legendary, iconic, Sete hitmaker KO this Friday on The Morning Show, only from 6 to 8:30 a.m. only on eTV.
We are in the last part of the show. It is a What's Cooking Wednesday edition on The Morning Show. And of course, as you can see, we're about to do the favorite thing that we like to do. Right?
Yes.
Yes. You know, monati, that has been prepared in the kitchen. And yes, it is ready for us. It has been dished up. It's looking all good. And right now, we're about to just, get into it. But before we do that, right, we have a little bit of a thing that we're going to do. We have a couple of questions because it is Veganuary. I said it right? Veganuary, right?
Yes.
Is it said right?
So it's Veganuary. I like to say vegan, no worry.
Vegan.
No worry.
There we go. Veganuary. So there's a couple of myths that we'd like to bust this morning on TMS, and our chef is going to, just.
Help us bust those myths.
Help us bust those myths. So we're all going to pick out a question from the jar, all right?
All right.
And we're going to ask the question, and we're hoping that we'll get the answer.
So these are myths that most people have as they
About
believe
vegan
about
lifestyle.
vegan lifestyle and veganism.
Right.
Okay, here's the first one. Veganism is only a diet and doesn't involve any other lifestyle choices. Is this a myth or is this fact?
Well, I think it's fact because veganism encompasses everything. It's part of your lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle. When you're healthy, you're going to choose to exercise. You want to choose to change your overall persona of the way you think about things.
Okay.
It's not limited to just the food. Okay.
No.
I like this.
Awesome.
It goes
Okay.
far beyond the food, I think,
Next myth.
according to me.
It is difficult for vegans to eat out at restaurants.
Not anymore.
Okay.
There is no excuses anymore. I do believe that many restaurants cater to plant-based meals and vegan meals. You'll always see they have a little leaf and say vegan-friendly or plant-based. So definitely not. No excuses anymore, guys.
Yes. Actually, I went out over the weekend, and a friend of mine who's gone vegan said, I like it here because there are so many options for me. And she went vegan because of health reasons. She found out she has a condition where she can't digest meat at all. I don't know, it's vitamin B something that she does not have that does not digest meat. So she decided to go vegan. So she was very impressed when she was out on the weekend to find that there was just an array of things that she could choose from.
Absolutely agree.
All right, here's something else, Chef. Being vegan automatically makes you healthier.
Right. So, veganism, eating your vegetables, is generally very healthy, but it's the way you prepare them. So you want to be a healthy vegan. You don't want to maybe deep fry your foods too often. You can, but you want to have a healthy vegan diet. But overall, your vegetables are very good for you.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Last myth.
The last one, well, I think this is something that a lot of people probably say. Veganism is a recent trend or phase.
I don't think so. There are I know vegans that have been vegan for over 20 years. So I don't think it's something that is trending or it's a fad. It is definitely, especially now, has become part of it's a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle.
It's something that you choose, and yeah, definitely not trendy.
Yeah.
And not a fad.
To add on to that, the Daniel fast has been in existence for many, many years. All right, so let's get into our favorite part.
I'm looking forward to this.
Let us taste.
All right, and while we taste, we asked you to send us some of your voice notes. It is back to school namhlanje. So we wanted to find out how your little ones are feeling. How are you feeling? You sent us your voice notes in response.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Silvana, and today I'm going to grade 1. And I'm also gonna meet the new teachers and my new friends.
Love it, love it.
Good morning, TMS team. My name is Offensive Fokeng. I live at Mapetla, Soweto, and today in my lunchbox I have bread and butter and cheese and Vienna and crepes and juice, which is Tropica, and my hairstyle is me.
Lunchbox is happening.
Hi, morning show. My name is Ketogu Fezwane. I'm from Mitlibak. I am so excited to go to school and see my friend and make new friend also.
I love the coaching that's happening in the background.
Yeah.
But more than anything, I love that lunchbox. That lunchbox is a day one
the one.
lunchbox. Kuna
It's the one.
maviana, kuna ma cheese,
Ne
kuna ma
Tropica.
Tropica.
Consistency.
Yeah.
No, listen, there by
We don't
February,
raise it.
all of these things fall off. Oh, chef, this is absolutely
It is
divine.
so good. Oh my
And
goodness.
I love
I've got a
olives.
thumbs up there. Do I get a thumbs up here?
And can I say, if you
Definitely.
get a thumbs up,
Okay, I got two.
Obi,
I'm getting it, yeah?
then you know that you did the things, because
Yeah.
Obi is a very difficult customer, I must tell you. So if you get this from Obi
Yeah.
first, then you've done
Then
the
you've done
things.
the thing.
You have
I think
done
I
I've done my job.
I was worried about tofu because
Yes.
it's not known for its flavor. It's usually bland.
Bland.
But you said
Yeah,
it
I said
earlier
that
that you're
earlier.
taking it from blah to
bloody good.
Bloody good. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. But you also sent some other voice notes that are speaking to back to school. Let's have a listen to what you had to say.
Good morning show. Yo, mina ngijabulile ukuthi ikolo zivuliwe bayahamba labantu laba. Yey besesikhathele nema remote ayozaphumule. Yo, ukubukela uMr Bean ilanga lonke bazalwane isnip up and place. So ngijabulile ukuthi ikolo zivuliwe umntana moya ka grade 5.
Morning show. Igama lami uSiniketiwe Nzibande. Ngiyajabula namhlanje ukuthi ikolo sivule ngenze igrade entsha. Ngiyofunda ugrade 4. Lalo mchilo bengicile ngama-holiday ngokuchachile ngachila umntwana esikole.
Siyabonga ukuthi uqhaqhile umchino. And then I got a WhatsApp this morning from the house. My daughter decided to style this morning. We had to take her back to the salon yesterday.
Oh, wow.
Because she asked the ladies at the salon to give her curls, and those are not acceptable at school.
appropriate.
So we went back to do like a bun. So this morning she undid the bun.
Oh, wow.
And Lord knows what's going to happen at school. So I will wait
Yeah,
to
but
hear
it's fun,
what's happening with the curls
Oh my goodness.
that are there. The
It's-
joys of not being around when your little one is going back to school on day 1. So,
Oh, goodness.
yeah, there's so much drama happening right now.
Yeah.
She's asked for a lot of things. Daddy's just sending me all the things that are being asked now because mommy's not around. So we
Get away
Yes.
with a couple more things. I got photos
So
from
much
my
drama.
nieces that are also in big school today, all in their uniforms and their
yes.
big bags. You know when you see
And
that
the big
picture?
blazers.
And the big blazers, the big bag. The bag is just like half their size. But it looks so amazing as they're going into their day ones. Also, there's lots of crying happening today, especially the grade ones. As they go into big school today, they're just crying. You say, no, don't leave.
Any memories for you, Chef, of day 1, whether it's yours or your little ones in the family? going back to school?
I have been to school very, very many years ago. I do not have kids, but I do have neighbors. And I must say, I actually enjoy, looking at them go to school. I do miss school.
Yeah.
When we're in school, we just want to get out. And
when you're out, someone was actually saying that on Facebook, that they miss school. They just want to be in grade 1 because there's nothing much. It's just your lunch box and your little juice bottle that is leaking. You must put plastic there. That's all. That's the only stress that you have. Nothing else.
That's a big stress, isn't it? I remember those days actually where you had those little juice plastic bottles, and to make sure it doesn't leak,
you put a plastic
plastic bottle.
And just to make extra sure you put it in a plastic.
Those yogurts that
Yes.
Hey, careful of those.
Because the moment you get out of the car, you're running so much all over the show, you forget about it. You just and it's bouncing. Problems. But it's been a great day of a great show. This What's Cooking Wednesday. We do it again tomorrow for a Thankful Thursday. I nearly said Think Tank Thursday. Thankful Thursday as we're getting into officially the first Thursday for you if you've gone back to work. If you've gone back to work on Monday, you're getting this much closer to the weekend. I'm sure by now you just feel like I've been going to work too long. But we will definitely be keeping you company tomorrow morning from 6 till 8:30. From all of us over here, including Chef, thank you so much for the great meal and for teaching us so much about veganism.
Well, thank you for allowing me to be here and represent something that I'm so passionate about, which is food and veganism.
And for people that want to follow you online, how can they go about doing that?
Well, they can find me on my Facebook page, Videhi Sivarusun, or they can subscribe to my website. It's videhi.co.za.
Awesome, fantastic stuff. And that's how we wrap it up. It's been an absolute pleasure. We'll see you tomorrow. From all of us in front of the camera and everybody behind, Lerato Kileo. Bye-bye.